Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So today's video, just a quick how to change your air filter in your 2016 up Honda Civic with the 2.0 engine. Alright, so the first step is to pop your hood. Alright, I'm going to set it up. Alright, this is a relatively very easy job. Here's our air cleaner, just 2 clips. We just want to pop loose on the side. And we're going to pull up on it. And we're going to just take our old air cleaner out. So this is the clean side, which you can see has dirt on it. That's our dirty side. And it looks like it's been a while since the air filter's been changed. Alright, so when it comes to air filters, there's a bunch of different options out there. Honestly, the more I see of the aftermarket ones, the more I realize the best thing to go with is a genuine Honda filter. So here's the part number for the filter for this engine, and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy this cheaper than going to the parts store and buying an aftermarket crappy air filter. So there is a difference, especially with a small engine like this. And the air filter you use, usually the factory ones let in much more air and they filter it properly. If you just put a drop-in K&N air filter in there, a lot of times it will let smaller particles of dirt and sand into the engine, and that can cause premature engine wear and a host of other electrical malfunctions, like with the MAF sensor. Alright, so we'll take our new, blow it out a little bit, take our new filter, just drop it right in. It's in there. And then you can see there's these little tabs that have to slide into the proper spot on the back there. That's all there is to it. Change your air filter on your 2016 up Honda Civic with a 2-liter engine. Alright, till next time, we'll see you later.